Okay, let's ikatakimasu. Eat it together with the coconut sauce, lady.
This is actually.
Oh, that was good. I lean the jang on it. The lettuce, then the vermicelli, and then napkin again.
Very similar, but a little different. So.
Hey T. Okay, so kind of got ready because gonna go out and meet up with a friend to go eat dinner, even though it's a work week. But we're just gonna do like a quick everyday look because I was home all day just in PJs, so this is me stepping out of the house for the first time today. I think having activities throughout the work week, throughout your student life, it's important because it's something to look forward to, because weekends, it's 5 days till the weekend. So you gotta have something going for you. You have to have motivation to continue the week so you don't get burnt out, you don't get stressed out. And it's also a good way to detox, reconnect with your friends, and socialize. And bam, that's it. We're gonna go head over to dinner. So cute. So nice meeting you too. Thank you, Jeff.
There's no place that I hate more. There's no place that I've loved harder. I can't return here anymore. I keep crying to my mother. There's no place in this body. There is nowhere to contain the shame that I feel for how I handle things. We shared.
I'm done for the day. Hello. How are you? How are you feeling?
I'm good.
Okay, thank goodness. I'm glad you're feeling better.
I drink so much tea.
Oh, that's good. That's me. I'm drinking a lot of tea too. Oh my gosh, yeah. I'm so excited. Oh, we can test our luck today with our Sonny Angels. Have you had one before?
No, I've always heard it to my friends, but I've never had a chance to buy it for myself.
Yeah, this is my second one. I don't normally get this, but I thought it would be fun for us to do together. Yeah, which one do you want? I'm vlogging, but which one would you like?
The photo here is what's the inside.
No.
Or
No.
surprise.
So basically, this is the animal series, and so all the animals are here, and you don't know which animal you're gonna get. Yeah, so it's like a mystery. It's like
It's so exciting.
yeah. So it's like girl gambling. Look at all the choices. Okay, so which one would you like?
I wanted to have either of this.
The mystery one?
The mystery one.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna test your luck because I heard it like the percentage is so low. I really want the crocodile one. The green one's so cute. Okay, I'm not gonna look at it. Okay. I got the snake! I got the dog!
So cute.
Oh my gosh!
Like an ice cream.
Oh yeah, it looks like an ice cream. I was gonna say I really wanted the crocodile or the snake one because the snake one, the ice cream,
That's cute.
is really cute. Oh my gosh, wait, I love it. A lot of nostalgia and memories coming back. All that excitement, moving into a new city, and starting my first like corporate job. So I'm just like happy that I'm here like one last time before this chapter of my life completely closes. You might think I'm freaking crazy, but it's move out day. It's actually kind of crazy because in the past 2 months I've moved. This is gonna be my 3rd time moving, and this time is because we'll debrief later, but we're putting my stuff in storage because overall I don't like the new place as much as I thought I would did and I thought I would envision. The views are beautiful, but we'll debrief later, but it's time to move out. Yay, we're finished. Oh my god, we finished. Moving part 3 is over. Wow, this is my first time seeing the apartment completely empty since 2022 when I first moved in, and it's making me so nostalgic. This was the beginning of my New York City chapter. In the city known for you can do anything, this was the start of my post-grad life and where I got my first job. And it feels like I'm just being hit by so many memories and deja vu. Good morning. Just finished one of my meetings today and did a bunch of my training work since this is only my second week, so they're doing a lot of like compliance trainings that I need to do. And so I've been browsing and I really want to do have a nice setup for my work and being able to do my job like properly and comfortably. So I'm doing a little bit of browsing on some tech items. So my company is going to give me a few things. I'm hoping that I can get this monitor and then a docking station, and the docking station also includes like a speaker. So I want to do like a complete desk makeover so that I can be 100% in on my work and do it properly. I want to be able to stick at this job for at least 2 years. That's my goal, hopefully longer. And I just want to be able to do my work well. Luckily my company is able to cover a lot of the technology pieces so that their employees can do a good job. So here's my workplace setup right now. Nothing really extravagant. It's literally just a monitor and my computer, and my notebook is just like random things scattered, which is not bad, but you know, I love a good like interior design. So I'm going to try to revamp it a little bit. And then I did buy some things from our company store and I want to do like a little unboxing. Another Logitech piece. This is just a keyboard. Nothing really like wow out of the books or anything, but I thought a keyboard was necessary. So my new work computer is an HP, so I'm not used to working on Windows computers because I've been using Apple Mac since high school, so it's been like a few years now, like 5-6 years since I've been starting using Apple computers, and the switch over is also a little bit of a learning curve. So I thought it'd make my life easier if I got one for a Mac. This is definitely a lot sturdier than Apple keyboards. Already it feels a lot nicer. A mouse is very essential, but I also got this new one, the ergonomic mouses, so you don't get like carpal tunnel from your wrist by holding the mouse for so long all day. So I thought this was like a really essential like work piece. And I also think this is also good for school because as a student you're always on your computer and your wrists are gonna start hurting if you don't invest in something like this right now, especially in this day and age where everyone is just on their computers all the time, even for gamers. Like, this is gonna be something that you might want to consider. It is a little bit different than like your normal mouse because you're probably really used to using these ones. So doing that adjustment with your wrists, it might take a little bit, but in the long run, you're doing your health a favor. It comes with the USB-C to USB. Ooh. Thank you to my company. And then last but not least, this one's with my own money. This wasn't by the company or anything. Might as well do another unboxing. I thought these were essentials. If you have retainers or aligners, anything like that, dentures, you can use these to help clean your dental appliances. So I have retainers, so I'm going to be using these, and it just kills all the germs, and you don't want bacteria on your teeth because it's just going to kill your enamel. And then I also got this, a Wi-Fi extender. My room is the furthest from the Wi-Fi router, and the Wi-Fi is a bit choppy whenever I do meetings or when I'm FaceTiming with my friends. So I thought it was time to invest in one of these. It's been a long time coming, but it was on sale for $22. So I was like, you know what? Here you go. We're gonna use a Wi-Fi extender. So hopefully my Wi-Fi is a lot better now.
Yeah. There's like an infrastructure